In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Asana. Creating a separate workspace is really helpful if you want to keep different teams, clients, or departments organized and clearly separated. For example, you might have one workspace for your company and another for a freelance client or a side project. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Asana account. First, make sure you're logged into Asana and you're on any main page, like your home or My Tasks. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small profile image, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with various account options and settings. In that menu, look for the option that says New Workspace. This is usually grouped with options for switching between existing organizations or workspaces. Click on New Workspace. This tells Asana that you want to start a completely fresh environment, separate from your current setup. Once you click it, a small window or panel will appear asking for some basic information. Here, you'll need to type in the name of your new workspace. Choose a name that makes it very clear what this workspace is for. For example, use a team name, a client name, or the specific project area. A clear name will make it easier to switch between workspaces later without confusion. You may also see a field where you can add members. These are the people you want to collaborate with inside this workspace. You can enter their email addresses to invite them. If you're not completely sure who should be included yet, you can start with just yourself and invite more people later from the workspace settings. The important thing is to think about who really needs access, so that tasks and projects stay secure and relevant. After you've filled in the workspace name and optionally added members, find the button that says Create Workspace. Review your entries briefly, then click on Create Workspace to confirm. Asana will now set everything up and take you into your new workspace. From here, you can start creating projects, tasks, and sections, all organized inside this new space. And that's all there is to it. Click your profile icon, choose New Workspace, enter the name and members, and then create your workspace.